we have called this press conference because we will be signing an agreement with our consultants. This signing of agreement is for to formalize all the informal settlements. And today we're going to sign 7 settlements. Basically, this has been an ongoing program for the ministry, and today we're going to sign for Luvu Seaside, Field 4 and Tambuka. These are all the settlements in West, especially Lotuka. There is one in central Sakoda, and there is 3 in North. The total premium that government has paid to TLTB so that they can dish out to the landowners amounts to $330,341.80. The number of population that will benefit out of this subdivision will be around 9,790. These are all people who are basically staying on a Vakabanua arrangement, I would say. And now we would like to formalize these settlements. And I must state that all this has been done with the blessings of our landowners. There has been abundance of goodwill shown by the landowners. Then and only we have achieved this much. And as I have said earlier on, that this is an ongoing. We have got some other settlements where works has been carried out. And in near future, we are also going to carry out more works on this settlement. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much for coming.
Oi, eu sentei.
Mr. Bala, look up, please.